હોટલ દ્વારા એક પ્રોજેક્ટ શરૂ કરવામાં આવ્યો છે। આ પ્રોજેક્ટ અંતર્ગત તેઓ દર અઠવાડિયે એક એનજીઓની મદદથી અંદાજિત એવા 50 બાળકોને પતંગ હોટેલમાં લાવવામાં આવે છે, જે ઊંચાઈએથી અમદાવાદના નજારાના સાથે સાથે મુલાકાત અને ભોજનના આસ્વાદને પણ માણી શકે। અમદાવાદની આન બાન અને શાન ગણાતી એવી હોટલ પતંગમાં કેન્સર ઇન ઇન્ડિયાના બાળકો માટે સ્પેશિયલ કાર્યક્રમનું આયોજન કરી તેમના જીવનમાં ઉત્સાહનો ઉમંગ ભર્યો છે। બ્યુરો રિપોર્ટ, ન્યૂઝ ફોર ગુજરાત, શરીફ કાંચી।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है अस्मिता नील ठक्कर and there is an NGO that we have currently started. It's been couple of months. The name of the NGO is Umang Se Patang Foundation. ये NGO में हम approx every week or every month, whenever we can, alternatively we invite underprivileged children and senior citizens which are needy of basic education, basic needs, basic fundamental living needs of a human being. We invite them to पतंग, और पतंग में invite करके हम ये जो हमने क्रिएट किया है पतंग में होलिस्टिक culinary डाइनिंग का एक्सपीरियंस, इसका हम एहसास हम ऐसे बच्चों और अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड सीनियर सिटीजन्स को देना चाहते हैं जो खुद से वहाँ आ नहीं सकते। उसके अलावा भी हम underprivileged children को educational material, educational substances, for example things that they need for their survival of growing more in their life rather than just staying where they are, we provide them with such substances, for example books, stationery, things that they need for their school। and today आज जो है हमारा बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा प्रोग्राम है जिसमें हमने किड्स कैंसर पेशेंट NGOs के चिल्ड्रन को हमने इनवाइट किया है, जिनके बहुत प्यारे से 40 to 50 चिल्ड्रन हैं हु आर करंटली गोइंग थ्रू कैंसर, नहीं तो कैंसर सर्वाइवर्स है। सो दीज स्टूडेंट्स एंड दीज पेशेंट्स एंड दीज चिल्ड्रन दे आर सर्वाइविंग फ्रॉम कैंसर, सम हैव इवन रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम कैंसर। सो हमारा बहुत वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल, I myself and my team is very grateful to host these children कि हम पतंग में उनके लिए बहुत प्यारा सा होलिस्टिक सा मील उनको हम प्रोवाइड करें which is very healthy, very nutritious for them, and we are very grateful to host cancer patients। and I would like to even share him as well। he has played a very big part in our collaborating our NGOs and helping us to attach with a couple of NGOs। so it's been a very long time। ये जो प्रोग्राम है हमने रिसेंटली लास्ट ईयर ये NGO लॉन्च किया है, लेकिन ये जो भावना है हमारी लोगों को सर्व करने की, लोगों की, और नॉट ओनली लोग बट प्राणियों की तरह प्रेम भावना हमें एक्सप्रेस करने की बहुत सालों से चलती आ रही है। मैं जब से छोटी थी तब से मैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे सारे जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, ये सर्विस में हम लगे रहे हैं। गौ सेवा, डॉग प्रोटेक्शन और जो भी एनिमल प्रोटेक्शन है, चाइल्ड एजुकेशन, फीमेल एजुकेशन, फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, ये सब चीज़ों में हम पहले से ही लगे आ रहे हैं। So recently we have started this organization to culminize everything and to put everything under one roof. So we can, full-fledged do everything in under one roof rather than doing it separately. So this has been our intention from before. Just serving the society, serving the community, because I think that is what all of us need in the end. All of us in the end need love. All of us in the end need community. And as human beings, we need to support each other to grow. We need to support each other to be better in our life. And the only way we can do that is through social work, is through help, is through serving each other. Right. So can I answer this in English?
Yeah, sure.
If it's okay, I'm more fluent in English. So since the beginning, I have had a lot of friends who have gone through cancer. I have been grown up in America. I have spent most my childhood in the US. I've had a lot of friends who have gone through terminal 1 cancer, terminal 2, terminal 3. I've had many family members who have died because of cancer. So I also understand the grievance of that disease. I understand that what the family goes through. I understand that what the child or the adult or the adolescents, what they must be going through when they have cancer. And also the fact that ये जो बच्चे हैं बहुत सारे कैंसर सर्वाइवर्स है. Not only them, I have a team member in my NGO team who's also a cancer survivor. So that makes it even more special and close to my heart, that I can understand that when someone is going through so much pain, if I can be a part to give them even a little bit of smile. I know that I may not be doing so much, but even if I can do little bit to provide them with a smile and to provide them with a little bit of satisfaction in this tough time that them and their family are going through, then I think this is the biggest satisfaction for me, And not only cancer, I would love to invite, I've been trying cancer patients from a very long time actually, but because उनके restrictions बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं, because they're body sensitive, right? So not only them, I would love to be, in fact, since this is on news, I would love to be open to any other patients who would love to come to my hotel to dine, because I understand कि बहुत underprivileged लोगों को dining का experience ही नहीं मिलता. जैसे जैसे मैं NGO का काम करते आ रही हूँ, बहुत सारे बच्चे, बहुत सारे senior citizens मुझे आके बोलते हैं कि पहली बार वो आके रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खा रहे हैं या पहली बार वो किसी रेस्टोरेंट में एंटर कर रहे हैं. तो वो बात बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत इमोशनल है, बिकॉज आई फील कि अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी स्माइल किसी के फेस के ऊपर ला पा रही हूँ, मे बी वन इवनिंग के लिए, जो वो रिमेंबर करे फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 month 1 week वॉट एवर इट इज़, वो मेरे लिए सौभाग्य है, उनके लिए नहीं. उनके लिए तो होगा मे बी, बट उनसे ज़्यादा वो मैं भगवान की तरफ ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि मैं उनको ला पा रही हूँ और उनके फेस पे वो ये स्माइल ला पा रही हूँ. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेयर दैट इमोशन केम आउट टू इन्वाइट कैंसर पेशेंट, बिकॉज कैंसर इज़ नॉट अ नॉर्मल डिजीज़. It is something that can kill you, and to make someone happy and to make someone recover from it is a privilege.